Another nest of that. Grab the truck key.
I'm having slash cue both of us out.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's starting to get some vertical lift going on.
And the rain's starting.
And here it comes.
No, it's not windy yet, so.
Oh, it's coming down. Look, come here, Scott. Scott, come here. Come outside, quickly. Okay. We need to get in the tub.
Look really quick. It's starting to do the making clouds in the middle of the air. You're gonna get wet.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, there it goes. It's starting down there.
Oh, it is. Oh my god.
You ready to go get in the tub? There it is down there.
Oh my god, it is. There it is right there. It started right there. Oh shit. There's a wasp right here. Oh shit, it's not in here.
No, it's putting getting the wasp out.
Videotape it. I'm gonna get everyone in the tub.
I can see it starting to lift stuff up down there.
Oh, they need to get inside now.
Well, no, we're outside too.
Yeah.
Okay, it's about 3 blocks from us now, and it's starting to pick stuff up.
That's not very far. Oh my god, it stopped.
Look at the bird. See the bird getting sucked up into it?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. The wind starts picking up, we move.
So far it's just rain.
Hold on.
It's slowing down. Look at it.
Well, it's doing all kinds of...
It was
Just watch.
thin spiral starting up and then it stopped. You can come here if you want. Or look under that edge there.
Come here.
It's close enough now, you can just look.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yes.
Yeah, the spiral.
Okay, see stuff getting lifted up at the bottom down there?
Yeah.
They're getting stuck down.
Yeah.
Soon as the wind starts to pick up, that's when we'll... Okay.
There's some wind, but not a lot.
It's making clouds, but I can see right here that
It's starting right here.
touching.
We know.
It's gonna drop right here on our heads. It's right here.
What?
Honey, right. Look,
can see
can
it.
you see it between there?
Guys, come on, we gotta get inside.
Taylor, relax.
Can you see it down there, honey? It's actually right there. Between
like-
the two houses.
It's like 4
It's not...
houses away.
It's touching the ground.
It's down a little ways.
It's like 4 houses.
It's between us and like, Lauren's parents' house.
No, it's not that close.
It's not that close. It's at least 5
Not
miles.
nearly that close.
It's right there.
Yeah, we know. But it's a
I'm going down to the street real quick to get a better video of it. Hold on, Scott, lift that up. I want to see where the bottom of it's at. Holy shit, there it is.
Holy shit. Taylor,
It's on 4th Street and it's trashing things.
it's on 4th Street. It's picking things up.
Look, there's houses
on
and
the
shit.
Holy fuck, Mom. That is not the problem.
Oh, shit,
That is.
that's the one. That's the one I saw drop back down there. Oh shit.
They need. Don't let them know they need to get inside.
Guys, there's one right there.
Like now.
Well, it's at 4th Street.
Hello.
The worst part is the cloud is moving towards
us.
us.
We're outside and we're watching it go down 4th Street.
And the thing is, guys, look right here. It's starting to get
Scott's
bigger, and there's more
videotaping
over there.
All right, bye.
Oh, guys, look upward.
I know, I see
right
it.
here.
I see it.
It's gonna drop on our heads.
It's the look at where all the debris is flying.
Yeah, it's moving towards us.
I know. Can you rotate this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So rain's getting on him.
Yeah, I'm getting fucking soaked here, but well, you're not even trying, no?
Yeah, because I can't. But we can't put people on the side.
You just got. Oh, look at that, honey. Look up.
I see it.
It's starting to make a funnel.
But I'm watching where it's going to come up over here.
It's gonna come up way down 4th Street. Taylor, can you go and look around, see if there's. Okay,
Yeah,
see, the one that was close to us stopped.
That is the one that was
That's
close to
it,
us.
honey.
Oh.
It's moving south of us.
Except that.
It's moving a little bit south of us.
That's on 4th Street.
That's getting fucking
All of it is like it's right there. No.
When you keep going to the. You
Yeah,
can,
keep his.
I know. His phone's got an OtterBox on it. I'm not worried about his phone.
It's moving south of us, but it's also moving west, so it's coming towards us, but going south.
Are you getting that big sucker right there?
Wait
Yeah.
a minute. If it's going south and west, then it's just gonna go towards ground.
Well, it's staying closer to us.
Then she's even closer to it.
Well, stop.
I'm not gonna tell her we're outside. She'll flip out at us. I'm gonna tell her we're watching where it's going.
I'm just watching for debris, because that's what we need to watch for.
Yeah.
And it's staying fairly consistent.
And there was debris. Well, there's still some debris right there, but that's really far away, whatever it is.
There's still some debris down at tree level, but not a lot.
Hey, are you watching for it?
And
It's right above us. We're watching it outside. We're watching it. But it's moving. Huh? It's above us, yeah. But it's up in the sky still. It went down 4th Street. It did little damage, but now it's still mostly up in the sky. But it's kind of lifting up. But
That's because it's getting closer to us.
It's getting closer to us, but it's kind of moving downwards also towards your area. So just keep an eye, okay? All right, bye.
It's like, it's probably about 83rd Avenue. It's the direction it's at right now.
you can see it sucking the clouds in from over there and making them. And it's just moving this way. But it looks like it's starting to dissipate, or we just can't see quite.
It's not dissipating.
No,
it's
it's
picking
pulling
up.
in more right there.
Yeah, I can see that. But still.
See, the thing is the cloud right above us is where the swirl's at, but it's not really swirling very much anymore. It's kind of petered out.
Yeah, but it's still pulling up a lot, though. Those clouds
Well,
are getting sucked up.
I
What?
think that's a funnel right there.
Right above us?
Please tell me
Yeah.
you're kidding.
No.
No, I'm dead
That
fucking
looks-
serious. I'm not gonna fuck around with this.
No, there's not. There's not a tunnel above us. You got
Part
it's
of
the
the tunnel?
swirl of the cloud is what you got to look for.
Like that's
Well,
starting to
there
swirl
are
right
no
there.
swirls right here. The swirl is there. It's all right here. It's not.
It did some damage down there
Yeah.
at the end of 4th Street.
Yeah, I saw all the debris.
It's raining like a motherfucker down there.
Yeah, because that's the way it's moving, I think.
Yeah, it's moving that direction. It's moving south of us. And if you look up here to the left, that whole left side up there is where there's some swirling, but it's not moving at the speed it was before.
Right. We got some good video to send the weather channel. Or to send like channel 10. They love getting video of it. Holy crap. The puppies are all freaking out. We put them all in the tub.
They definitely are.
Most of it over with now.
That's pretty much it looks like.
Oh.
How's your heart rate, baby?
Oh. That was my legs.
And if you look at the cloud up here, there's no more swirl in the cloud. The cloud has stopped its rotation.
Good.
Just the top of it has. The bottom
Well, the whole bottom of it was in a big swirl, and it's not swirling anymore. Now there's just a bunch of cloud moving in a bunch of different directions, but it doesn't have the heavy swirl that it did before.
Well, it's good to know your phone works
My phone's bad.
when there's one like directly here. Yeah, it is. Look, it is. No, we can see it. Okay.
It's a hell of a lot different than
Oh, yeah. Look at that one. That's starting to come up again.
Yeah, but it's just kind of thin a little.
No, that's getting a
That's
good
even
one right
worse.
there. Yeah, that's
If
getting
the thinner
tight.
it is, that means the faster the wind's going to be moving.
That's pretty tight. You can see the whole.
Don't scream at the dogs, Taylor.
Yeah. They're already worked up enough.
More rain coming in
Yep.
from the west.
No, it's coming from the east. It's coming from over there. Coming in this way again.
What?
It's coming this way again. Because
No, 'cause it got thicker in the first
then
spot.
it's going
It
this
got
way
thicker
because
this way.
theirs just started up and ours hasn't started yet.
All right, whichever way.
It doesn't matter what direction it's coming from.
Look,
It's both ways. Well, I think it's just all over around our head.
yep, it's dissipated down.
It started to tighten up and then it. I'm going to put the weather channel on in the house real quick while you guys watch this.